If you're seeing a Google Calendar access blocked authorization error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get connected again as quickly as possible. This issue usually happens because of browser settings, multiple signed-in Google accounts, or restrictions set by a Google Workspace administrator. The good news is that in many cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides like this. Let's jump right in. First, switch your default browser temporarily to Google Chrome. A lot of Google authorization requests fail in browsers that block cookies more aggressively or use tracking protections that interrupt sign-in and permission prompts. So before you try again, open your browser settings and set Google Chrome as your default browser. Once Chrome is your default, close the app that was showing the error, then try the authorization process again. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix the problem because Chrome handles Google sign-in and consent screens more reliably. If that still doesn't work, the next thing you should do is log out of multiple Google profiles. This is a very common cause of authorization problems. If your browser is signed into several Google accounts at once, the app may try to connect to the wrong one, or Google may get confused about which account should receive access. To avoid that, sign out of all Google accounts in your browser completely. Then open an Incognito window, and in that private window, sign in only to the one Google account you actually want to connect. After that, go back to the app and try the authorization process again. Using Incognito helps because it gives you a cleaner session with fewer cookies, fewer profile conflicts, and less chance of permission issues caused by old sign-in data. If you are using a work or school account, there is one more important thing to check. Your Google Workspace administrator may have blocked third-party API access, which means the app is not being allowed to connect at the organization level, even if your personal settings look fine. In that case, the fix is not on your device. It needs to be handled by your IT department or Workspace admin. Reach out to them and ask them to whitelist the app or allow third-party access for the service you're trying to use. They may need to adjust API permissions, app access controls, or security restrictions before the connection will work. So to recap, first, switch your default browser to Google Chrome. Second, log out of multiple Google accounts and retry in Incognito with only the correct account signed in. And third, if you're on a managed Workspace account, contact your admin to confirm third-party API access is allowed. Following these steps fixes a lot of Google Calendar authorization errors without needing anything complicated. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want help with a specific error message. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.